Hi, I was born 18 years ago. Ta-da! I'm jolly and friendly and easy to get along with. I'm Carol Domingo. I was born and raised in Bulacan. I love doing arts and crafts, and most of the time I do DIY. Ting, ting, ting. I also love doing videos for YouTube, so if you're watching this video right now, don't forget to visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe. During my free time, I do guitar drilling. And I'm also proud to say that I'm part of the music team of our church. I actually miss being with them and singing song of worship and doing fellowship. By the way, I'm also one of the youth leader in our church. And my life totally changed when I accepted Jesus as my personal Lord and Savior. I love to dance for Him. And again, I'm Carol. See you soon in our class. Goodbye!